Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. And on today's YouTube video, I got the most amazing thing. I've got something that everybody wants this week, and it's hard to find. Heck, it took me a hard time to find it. And like I say, I never get this stuff for free from the companies. I have to buy it myself. So this plus this, boy, it was hard to find. I went to the cell phone stores and everything, and nobody had it. Nobody had it. They only had the Samsung one. But basically, this is a smartwatch. I got the smartwatch right here, and I've got the accessory protector for it. And it is, that's right, you guessed it, the OnePlus watch. I was gonna go for the Motorola 360, but I couldn't find that either, online either. So I was like, you know what? I went to the stores to ask if they had it. Nobody had it. I finally went to the OnePlus website. Generously, some guy that works at the OnePlus website through text message, I bought it through there and gave me the link from their official Amazon, and I bought it through there. And then the case, I randomly just searched for it on Amazon also, and I bought it the same day. So enough with the chitter chatter, and let's get with the unboxing. Oh yeah, let's see what's inside. And there's nothing in here but that popping thing, which I love to pop. You want to hear it pop? Pop goes the weasel. And that, in all its glory, OnePlus watch. Straight from the OnePlus company. First thing we get is the beautiful OnePlus watch. There's the charging port right there with the sensor that generates your heart monitors and all that. And it's rubber. I got the rubber one, because it is what it is. Now, I'm going to dive deep into the bottom of this because that's pretty cool. It even tells you right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it says right there, accessories. And get over here. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is the cable. The charging port. It's wireless charging. Not technically wireless because you have these two pins that they go on. But still, I consider it wireless to me. And the big instruction booklet that looks like a freaking Japanese fan. I mean, look at this. Doesn't this look like a Japanese fan? Noting that I'm Asian and I'm Chinese, but safety and warranty. This is the instruction manual. Here's the watch itself. And I don't really know much about it, but I could tell you that I'm guessing this is the power button and this is the function button. Here's the monitor rate thing and the charging dock thingy. The two pins right there where they go. They settle down right here just like that. Ooh, magnetic. That's right, it's magnetic. They magnetically clip. And that is that for there's really nothing else in there. Oh. Nothing inside here. And here's the one smartwatch, the OnePlus screen protector. Here's a little arrow that tells you. You get the instructions on how to put it. Oh wow, it's rubber. Nice. Nice as ice. Oh yeah, and forgot to mention, see that little pin right there? You kind of pull the pin and this comes off. And you pull this pin and it comes off. And now I'm able to put the watch. I'm guessing this is the way it goes. Oh, it turned on by itself. So yeah, you gotta download the OnePlus Health app from Google Play. Open the OnePlus Health, manage, add manually, add OnePlus Watch E013. Let me turn it off, by the way. Okay, so this one's the power button and this one's the function button. It says here, it says OnePlus. I don't know if this is the same OnePlus or not. It should be the same. Boom, perfect. I got the case in. Now I can put this back, which I'm guessing. Bear with me, guys. There we go. Dun dun dun. Smartwatch. I'm gonna put it on my right hand anyways. But that's all the unboxings that I have for you today, guys. Oh yeah, before I go, I forgot to mention that this is the only smartwatch. This and the Samsung are the only ones that have a speakerphone, meaning that you could do voice calling and you could talk like 007 or kind of like how it used to be with the communicators in Power Rangers. You could hear the people from here and I could hear them and I could talk on my wrist. Oh yeah, and this works with Spotify, so I can change my music finally at work, and everything else I want to do here, I could do it. Like Spotify, I guess not sure about YouTube, but my MP3 player also, I can change all my MP3s, like skip to a song I don't like. I don't have to be digging my phone anymore. And it tells the time and everything else. And my blood glucose and all the other stuff it does. And well, guys, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, yeah, by the way, just letting you know, this rubber is super soft. And yeah, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next episode.